Oh, we're gonna do some more back testing preparation for tomorrow. All right. So what do we got here? Man. All right. Gotta focus. Okay. Continuation from where we stopped yesterday. One down here. Three. One, two, three. All right. Market's really downtrending, it seems, but it's holding this. The lows from yesterday would be here. It's gonna call here too, but it's really holding. One, two, three, four, five, six. Yeah, it's really holding these lows, but it looks like it wants to break through. If anything, with this downtrend on this candle right here, where it's looking, I'd say I'll take a short and risk up here, honestly. Okay, before we I don't know why my heart feels so heavy right now, bro. It's crazy. It's bro, like my heart just, I don't know, man. Sometimes it just hits you when you're lonely. Anyhow, move that aside. Move it aside. All right. So we got here. We got this base here. Cause of that, we're just gonna put a line here. Is this whole base here? So we just put a line right there. That's another base. The risk will be up there. And then there's this red line is a base too, so there's that, and then there's obviously that up there. I don't think price is gonna get all the way up there though, but there's that there. So I don't think price. I don't think price is gonna get it. The price is down. As a matter of fact, I even so let's say we come in 710 whatever. We see last candle form is like this. Definitely because I don't think it's gonna bounce. It already broke through. I don't think it's gonna bounce. I think I you know what? I'm gonna take this trade. I'm gonna take this trade, risking my risk is as a matter of fact my risk is above this zone. Holy, it's a lot. 150. Yeah, let's risk here. My risk is here. Done. Let's see what the trade looks like. Okay, that's good. See? I didn't think it was like you can tell it's downtrending. It's downtrending. It already broke through this low. It already broke through these lows, which was yesterday's lows. Really, you can see the downtrending. You can see the consolidation here. If you put a line here, you can see that there's consolidation on the bottom, consolidation on top. It broke down. This broke down, and then this candle was just ill. So I would have probably taken this trade. And you also we're risking 150, looking for 300. We don't know where market is going to turn from. We don't know. So right now we got all the way to we were looking for 300, so we need at least 250 for whatever break even. That was a good candle to this highs here. If you want to take this trade, this rejection was actually pretty good. If you want to take a trade, I would probably already be in a trade. If I wasn't already in a trade, this would be a good trade right here, risking high of day 150 still. So keep going, keep going. Keep going. Now, right now, this trade is break even. And if you took this trade, if we didn't take the first trade and we took this trade, 150, this trade is now this trade this first trade is break even. This second trade will soon be break even. It's not break even yet. Okay, it's holding that green line. It's holding that green line. Oh, it's really holding that green line. Okay, that's good. Oh, it's really holding that green line. Oh, it really held it. It really held it. This kind of was when it's really holding it. And you also up to here, we got 300 down there. So, but definitely break even. But I doubt would have closed our trade with this momentum. No, we're not closing the trade. We're just holding. Yeah, you'd have been break even on these two trades. On this trade, you would have Still winning the trade. On this one, you'd have been break even now because it came all the way back up. But shit, man, it really held this. So you can see momentum. Hold, 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 hold on this rejection. Hold here. I guess at this point, you can take a gamble if you're not ready. If I was still in the short, I wouldn't even take this trade. But if you're not in the short, you're taking this 100, looking for 200, which is up here. But yeah, so that worked for you. And I will be break even. And now that I'm break even, we still have this line here. Good rejection, good rejection. This one I don't like this rejection, so wait one more candle or two more. That's not good. That's good. Okay, now we'll retake this trade here. So this trade did not work out. Retake this trade here. This was just this one. This one got lost. So good thing we took this one. Oh yeah, we'll retake this trade here short, and again we're risking 150. We're risking 150 up here. Where is it? Yeah, 150 basically. We retake the trade risking 150 still. Looking for 300. Why? This because of this high, like it didn't reject the high fully. Risking well above it. Why are we not risking? It's not even close to the zone. So, and I don't think it's gonna get to the zone. So, boy, was I wrong. Holy, this is definitely a loss. Okay, so that's good. That's good. That's fine. It's still the zone. Still holding. I'm not taking a trade there, but that's not a bad place to take a trade. Yeah, this place was a little interesting. You could call this the zone right there. This could be called the zone, and then you could put a line here. So that'll be what that all of that will be basically what it looks like. So this zone here rejected the zone. That's not enough to take it short yet. Okay, that's good enough to take it. Oh, that's just second. No, not yet. That's okay. Once it's some momentous drop, that's not enough. Okay, that's good. Now if it pops up with rejection, that's good. So now you can take a trade there. Long, short, sorry, short. So your trade you'll be risking just so zone 70 points. So you'll be risking 110 just above the green line. So just there. Let's see how that goes. We're just looking for 220. Obviously, there's this base here, but that's not a good rejection. So let's keep going. That's a good rejection there. There's this low here. There's base here. It's a good rejection. That's a good rejection. But we're already in this trade, so we'll just put it as break even now. Perfect. We just put at that point when we saw that good rejection, we just put it at break even. So we're looking for 220. So just down there. So we got our profit, and then again, so now this line, you can now put this line here, right? Because it's highs, and this is a good trade. We want to see a second one. That's good too. So you cannot take this trade here. You can take this trade here and risk down here if you want. That's 120 points. So let's look for 240, right? So looking for 240, but we also have to put in mind that there is this zone here, and rejection, this zone. Put it as break even because I think it's gonna start coming down. So our trade is now break even. That's good momentous drop right there. But we hold it long. We don't want to close our trades pretty quickly. So if we're already way above our profit target, we can just put it at break even and let it go. Otherwise, we'll close the trade and retake something else. So I'll leave for 240. We're now in this zone. So 240 is just green line. Once you get to green line, we know we're in profit. So we're now in this zone. rejection here. There's this nice momentum rejection there, but it got cancelled basically. But this is still okay. Okay, that's still okay. That's still okay. That's still okay. And that's profit. So yeah, sure, we lost this trade. Sure. If you want to count that, we may have lost this trade. Sure. So this is how we should have drawn the zone here, put our line here. So if we had gone above this zone, we'll take a retest. If we had gone above the zone on on anyhow, this is just it's a reference line. So it broke through the line, it became useless, I guess. Once it breaks through the line, I guess it becomes useless. Remember that. So with that on this one here, we're just taking risking this, right? 140. We got our 280, almost got 280. Didn't quite get 280 though. So it was just down there at open. Got 140, got 280. Didn't quite get 280 though. So on this one, we got break even though. We got break even. And then this happened, broke down, and then it tried to break down again, but it didn't work. It just popped up. And then we got break even here. It's already past, oh, it's not yet past 12:30, but yeah, we got break even here on this trade that we took right there. Where is this loss from again? Oh, oh, it was from this candle here. I guess we shouldn't have taken that trade, but it's fine. Whatever. We got we got we got stopped out here, and then we took this trade here. Short, right? Short on this one. We took basically the same type of trade on this candle here with this zone. Short, we reached just the green, just above the green line there. Or just because we're very close to the zone, the zone is small, we just reached far above the zone, 110, looking for 220. We got our 220 here. And then with this zone and this line, basically this low is right here. We see the bounce, nice candle. We didn't take it on this candle, we took it on the next candle. Right, we took it on the next candle, we're risking down there because it was such a good candle, so we're expecting a continuation, whatever. Took it on the next candle, and then we got our profit. So um it's obviously a zone, that's why we have a line there. It's rejecting as it's approaching the zone. Let's see what it does. Good rejection. That candle right there is good for continuation. So we broke through everything. We may not get a trade before, so that's 12:25, 12:30. We don't have a trade, but done trading for the day. All right. All right. So that's it. That's it for this day. Let's go to the next day. Whatever. Let's go to the next day. Oh shit. Whatever. Okay. So let's remove the black lines. Clean up our chart here. What do we have on this day? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's done. We have these lows here, but I doubt price is gonna come back here. So, but anyhow, we'll put this down here. We have this line here. We have this highs here. Let's put this here. This is just a point to watch, but it's not necessarily like price can come in here and then we can reach this low. So this zone, I guess, is a point to watch to reach this low, and after that there is really not much if it comes down. So, and right now price pretty bullish, but I don't like the shape of this movement, so I'm just gonna wait and see what price does up here, or if price comes down here somewhere, we can risk this low. Um, Beautiful rejection as it's approaching the red right there. Let's get our arrow ready. Beautiful rejection. This rejection is godly. I say we take this because how uh, uh hmm, yeah, let's take this trade. We'll take this trade, risking 150 points. Take this trade there. Just because of how bearish yesterday felt. This day felt. It felt quite bearish, and prior it was bearish too. So let's just take this trade. That's a good rejection off of this low here. We'll hold though. It's a good rejection off of the line, but that's not what we want. We're looking for 300 points. At this point right now, we're break even. We don't care. We're looking for the price to get down here, but at this point, we're break even. We know, because we know it may bounce, and with this amount of momentum, we don't know where it's gonna go. So we'll just stay break even. See, that's why we went break even. So now that this candle has happened, now we can take this trade confidently because this trade was not too confident. And when I saw this candle, I was like, okay, it may even pop up right now. This is a good low, so we'll take this trade short and we'll risk 4 above this line, so 150 again, looking for 300. All right, so that was the trade there. That's our real trade now. So okay, that's not good. 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 Okay, that's not. I'm out. 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 I'm out on that candle. It's hard to trade this day. There's not much play. If I wasn't short here, I really did say this. I don't really care if you guys. This is a good price action strictly. Just good price action strict continuation because it had rejection, 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 rejection. This was really good. So you're taking this, risking so 85, looking for 125, and you're looking for 250, right? So perfect. You're going to profit on that. On this candle, you're going to profit on this candle. And then so now you get that rejection. You can decide not to take it, just like decide not to take it on one of the days recently. And even if you did take it, you're risking 4 above, right? So 4 above is 40, just up here. Yeah, I don't know. It's pretty damn close. It may have stopped out, may not have stopped out, depending on spread. Um, so not no trade there. No trade there. These are really good candles, though. I like this, and this is this is a low. So um, let's clone this. 1, 2. Let's wait for a third one. Should we have waited? So 1, 2. Might as well just take it. 1, 2. Risking just that low because such a bullish day. Like you see this kind of bullish, kind of bullish. Oh, this pullback is nada. It's nothing, man. As long as you're risking well, as long as you're risking right, you should be fine for the most part. So that's a good consolidation there. We're risking 130, looking for 260, right? 260 just above all of this. And this is good consolidation. So there's a good supply to a good demand base forming. Um, that looks like it's gonna break downwards. Actually, it broke downwards. Let's see how the red line holds. The red line not holding well. This thing may flush. It may flush. It may flush depending on how it looks as it's going right now. If you have a very disgusting candle again, we may have to just let it go. All right, we'll break even. Just leave this trade. We'll break even. We'll have to leave this trade. I don't like the way it's coming down. I don't like it. I don't like it. Okay, this is good. I like the way it's recovering now. This is good. Now we can use this low if things look good. So wait and see. Okay, it's time 11. Yeah, sure, we can take this trade, risking this low right here. Okay, still looks good. Ugh. Okay, that looks good. So the trade is this. So this risking here 115, looking for 230 basically. Ugh, are these looking? Ugh. Okay, we'll get out now. I knew it was gonna pop, so we'll get out. Get out of the trade. Just let it go. It's not looking too nice. Just let it go. Maybe we could have stayed back on this trade, eh? Maybe. Mm, finally broke. So if we're in this trade here still, remember we're risking 130, looking for 260, right? So 260 is just there. Does it work? It's already end of day. So I guess we should have just stayed on this hour trade. Would have not gotten full profit, but would have gotten something. And you can even leave it as break even as market. See, you have gotten all right. 20 minutes. We've done 2 days. Let's do one more day and that's it. All right, that's it there. 3 a.m. 1, 2, 3. 6 a.m. Right? 6 a.m. 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So what's happening here? We have this wicks. I like this wicks here. I really like this wicks. So I'm gonna put this as a zone here. This zone right here. We have this zone right here. Let's extend it to this. For the highs, we have this zone right here. We have this zone right here, just above the red. That's a really strong one. Then that's a really strong one. This zone right here. Obviously, we have the highs of it, and we have the lows of this, but it's not really significant, honestly. Oh yeah, we have these. We have these lows right here. Let's delete these. Yeah, I was thinking about this. Okay, so first, if price comes here, rejects, want to take it short, and we'll be risking our short. We're risking above this zone, right? Good, good, good. Good rejection. Doji. I like me the doji. I like me the doji. I'll take the doji. I will take the doji. Doji, doji. I will take the doji. I don't like the fact that it broke through this, broke the law of this candle and came up, but we'll just take it. We're practicing anyways. So I'll take this doji, and I'll be risking literally just above this 70 points. So let's see how it goes. That's okay rejection. Oh, that I'm out. Get out break even right there. Thank you. I'm out break even. I don't like this candle at all. All right, so let's see what it does after that candle. That's okay rejection. Now that I would take. Give me that. Give me that short one more time. Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Risking 80 this time around, looking for 160. Mm-mm-mm. 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 Oh, this is really rejecting. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. I don't like this at all. I don't like this at all. What do we want to do here? Do we want to take a trade long? Because it's really bullish for some weird reason. So we could take a trade long, risking under here, 100 points, looking for 200. Yeah, it's pretty bullish. It's really bullish. It's really bullish. Oh, we definitely have to. Either we take a trade long or we're break even. Let's do break even and let's see how it goes. Yeah, we should have taken that trade long, right? Turn this to this 100 points just under this zone here. This is flatlining to the short side. I don't like this. Okay, that's good candle. Okay, that's okay candle. But flatlining to the short side. See, the thing is, if we had not switched on this and we kept it break even up here, we would have not going to stop that. But on this candle, for sure, would have switched to break to a long position. And instead of now risking 100, we're now risking 80, looking for 160, right? So either that or we're looking for 200, whatever. That is such a beautiful short momentum that we have to just put this as we'll just watch. Not yet. We'll not put it as break even. Okay, now we're break even. Now we're break even. I like that price action. If it doesn't hold that price action, then it may flush. gradually coming down. Bear flag, bear flag. See what I say? If it didn't hold that price action there, it may flush. And so what did it do? It flushed. Toilet. So what was this one? 80 looking for 160, right? So that was 160 down here. This one is still here. Some people will take this trade though. Well, obviously, we already break even on this. If we're watching, let me see. Do we take this trade? This is something that price has to like literally just bleh through. So what price has to do on this one here? It needs to just bleh through the whole thing. I don't know. Say we wait. Yeah, that's not a bad point to take another long. So this time around, where do we risk? Not we risk 4 points below this, so we might as well just risk under here. Just a black line, whatever. Yeah. We'll get our break even if we have a chance. That sucks, man. That sucks. But yeah. Bearish momentum held here. This is what got me, I guess. This right here is what got me. So we just stopped that break even. So we should have just held this. Obviously, we're not break even on the thing yet, but we should have held it, right? Held it and seen how it behaved up here, maybe. But after, like, if we had held this, going through this price action, oh no, this price action is too bullish to still keep holding this, short, you know. There's a difference when it's when it's price action like this, you know. Yeah, sure, it's still within, but if it pops up, comes back down, pops up, oh no, that's too bullish too. Making higher lows too. This is just it just did this and then just fell. But this one is different. This one's popped up, higher low, popped up, lower highs though, but popped up. Look at see made high, right? Everybody would be, oh, it's bullish now, and I'm not immune to such price swings. However, so in no case I would we have been able to hold this. So, well, we did get this as break even. That's good. And I guess when this was we shouldn't have taken this long. We could have been like, oh, this may be just forming a flag, so we shouldn't have taken this long. If anything, we should have taken when we saw this bear flag here forming. Once it broke like this, we should have just taken a short on this, risking up here about 75, looking for 150, right? Anyway, but while this was happening, we're still break even. Well, I guess we could have even taken a short here on this candle, looking for rigging, looking for risking 120, looking for 240. So 240 is all the way down here. Be like, well, either you get me profit or we be in this trade till we die, you know? That's what that is. Wait, is it gonna okay. Kinda weird. Alright. That's fine. Be like that. Guess it can work. Oh yeah, there's a zone here. So we'll just put out our zones from yesterday since it's falling like a retard. With this is a falling knife. We're not trying to catch anything, just so you know. We are not trying to catch anything. But we also know that this red line is significant. So it blew through the zone, but let's see how it behaves on this red line. And it slowed down on the red line, so that's good rejection. That's okay rejection. Oh, no slowing down. Sorry. Red line is done. And any attempt to go long is done. We are now blowing through all zones. It's a falling knife. It's falling knife and it's falling very fast. Do not try to catch it. I repeat, do not try to catch it. It's a falling knife and it's falling very fast. Do not try to catch it. I repeat, do not try to catch it. Wow. 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 Bro, we could have risked all the way up here. And we'll still win the trade. We risked freaking 220 points and we'll still win the trade. With more to spare. Hello. How are you? So if anything, there would have been one loss today and two break evens. That would have been it. That's one loss, two break evens, and that's fine. And the only loss would have been on this trade here if we are taking that, but that's fine. This trade here would have been a loss. But once this happened, you could have even taken a short. Anyhow, all of that aside, once I saw this flag, my instinct should have been okay. Once it breaks the flag and breaks it, really breaks the flag, then we'll maybe take a long risking all the way at the high of the flag. That could have been a thought process. But yeah, guys, we've been streaming for 30 minutes, and that's about it. We've done 3 days.